Hamas have brutally gunned down hundreds of ordinary Israelis.
It began at dawn. Thousands of rockets fired from Gaza.
Loved ones held hostage by Hamas.
Israel fights back. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu declaring, "We're embarking on a long and difficult war that was forced upon us."
This is the darkest day in Israel's history since its creation 75 years ago.
My friends in JNF, this was a massacre in my municipality. It happened in 1939 to 1945, and it happened on the 7th of the 10th, 2023. This thing can't happen again.
In Kissufim is a tiny kibbutz near Gaza Strip. Live about 8 families and 280 people.
So many parts of the infrastructure of the kibbutz have just been taken apart. I'm here at the youth center, and as you can see, it's in rough shape. This is the current kindergarten. This is the pharmacy. It's been terribly damaged.
The attack of October 7, when a terrorist came here and murdered people, families. They killed my grandmother, 9 years old. They took her out from the shelter and shot her.
I'm standing in front of the future kindergarten. It's going to be fully protected from the roof. It'll be safe. With help of Canadians from coast to coast, we're going to help bring it to fruition.
We now working together to build Kissufim again and make it better than it was before. And thank you, JNF, for being with us and support us.
What is very unique about JNF Canada is the fact that every project that we pick have a very significant impact.
At Kibbutz Kissufim, we're going to do everything we can to make sure that they have the necessary resilience and the tools to come back stronger, and together we're going to prevail.
Thank you, JNF Canada. You give us the support and give us the opportunity to feel better and to build Kissufim better and prettier than it was before.